GoPro Com 101, GoPro Waterproof. Gopro.com refers to the official website of GoPro, Inc., a well-known American company that manufactures action cameras, accessories, and related products. The company's flagship product is the GoPro camera, which is designed to capture high-quality footage in extreme conditions, making it popular among adventurers, athletes, and outdoor enthusiasts. Here's an overview of what you can find on the GoPro website. 1. Products. Gopro.com showcases the latest lineup of GoPro cameras, including their features, specifications, and pricing. This includes the latest models such as the Hero 10 Black, Hero 9 Black, and other specialized cameras like the Max, which offers 360-degree capture. 2. Accessories. The website also features a wide range of accessories compatible with GoPro cameras, including mounts, grips, cases, batteries, chargers, and more. These accessories help users enhance their filming capabilities and customize their camera setups for different activities and environments. 3. Software and apps. GoPro provides software and mobile apps that enable users to edit, share, and manage their GoPro footage seamlessly. Users can download the GoPro app for mobile devices or GoPro Quick desktop software for editing and organizing their videos. 4. Community and content. Gopro.com features a community section where users can explore inspirational content, including user-generated videos and photos captured with GoPro cameras. Users can also share their own content and participate in challenges and contests hosted by GoPro. 5. Support. The website offers support resources such as user manuals, FAQs, troubleshooting guides, and customer support contact information to assist users with their GoPro products and accessories. 6. Shopping. Customers can purchase GoPro cameras, accessories, and bundles directly from the website's online store. The website often features promotions, discounts, and exclusive offers for customers. Overall, Gopro.com serves as a hub for GoPro users and enthusiasts, providing a platform to explore products, accessories, software, and community-generated content related to GoPro cameras and adventure filmmaking.